You can now track how every shared URL performs across platforms, providing you with a platform-wise breakdown of the link's performance to help you maintain a trend visualization over time. Let's check how to use them. In a new post in your social planner, click the chain icon to add a link from the Link Shortener. Once you've published your post, head over to the Statistics section. In Link Clicks by Social, you'll find a platform-by-platform breakdown of the total number of link clicks. In Link Performance, you'll find the top or lowest 5 clicked links by campaign name. By making it easy to attribute traffic to specific posts, platforms, and campaigns, to allocate your promotional budgets efficiently, providing you with increased ROI, easy trend visualization, and efficient decision-making tools. This feature will help you replace manual spreadsheets and third-party link trackers, keeping all data comfortably centralized so you spend less time analyzing and more time acting. We hope you enjoy it.